Hiya guys, I'm Stu from Petals on the Paving Slabs, and this is a 2-minute plant profile about the flowering quince, whose name I'm really struggling to pronounce in Latin, Chenemeli speciosa, and this particular variety is Mualusi. This shrub copes with full sun or partial shade in a fairly fertile, well-drained ground. It's a spring flowerer, which will give its flowers before the leaves form on the branches, so you get these gorgeous flowers on bare twiggy stems. It'll grow to about 5 metres tall and will spread about half of that distance. It's not just an attractive pink flowered spring ornamental, you also get edible fruits from this too, which are ready to be picked in autumn, just as the deciduous leaves are falling off. But these fruits aren't the same shape and size as the quince fruits from the cydonia oblonga species of quince. These fruits are smaller and rounder. You can easily propagate a flowering quince by semi-hardwood cuttings, and once the plant's established, it's fairly drought tolerant. This particular variety has been given the Award of Garden Merit from the Royal Horticultural Society. It'll do best in hardiness zones 5 to 9, and it's also thought to be deer and rabbit resistant as well. 2-minute plant profile, done. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and you get to see more. Thanks guys.